Capital One versus Comerica Bank. Which is better? In this video, we'll compare Capital One and Comerica Bank to help you decide which one is the better choice for your banking needs. Links to both products are in the description below for further details. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. Starting with Capital One, this is an excellent option for people who prefer digital banking. Capital One is known for its online and mobile banking platforms, which allow you to easily manage your accounts, make transfers, and pay bills on the go. Capital One offers a wide range of services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. Its 360 Performance Savings account stands out for offering competitive interest rates with no fees or minimum balance requirements. Additionally, Capital One has a very user-friendly mobile app that's highly rated for its features, including easy access to rewards, account management, and customer service. However, Capital One's physical branch presence is limited compared to traditional banks, which could be a downside for customers who prefer in-person banking. On the other hand, Comerica Bank is a strong contender for those who need a traditional banking experience with branch access. Comerica provides services like checking and savings accounts, business banking, and loans, with a focus on small businesses and entrepreneurs. It has a wider physical presence, primarily in Texas, California, and Michigan, making it a solid choice if you prefer face-to-face banking. Comerica's checking accounts come with a variety of options, including low-fee accounts and premium accounts with added benefits. However, it's worth noting that Comerica's fees and interest rates are generally higher than Capital One's, and their mobile app doesn't quite match Capital One's in terms of user experience or features. In conclusion, if you prioritize digital banking with no-fee accounts and competitive interest rates, Capital One is the way to go. However, if you prefer the option of a physical branch and are looking for more personalized service, Comerica Bank might be a better fit for you. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information on each bank's offerings and find the best one for your financial needs.